Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Elkridge local and long-distance movers near me. For those in Elkridge, our long-distance moving services are comprehensive and reliable. We specialize in custom crating for fragile items and offer a range of packing services to suit every need. Our team's meticulous planning and execution ensure a smooth transition to your new home. Elkridge's diverse community is perfectly matched by our wide range of moving services. We specialize in handling a variety of items, from delicate antiques to modern electronics, ensuring efficient residential moves, office relocations, personalized moving plans, and secure packing and transportation. Trust us to make your move in Elkridge as diverse and welcoming as the community. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Elkridge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.